If you were building a digital campaign by typing every script, shooting every photo, and manually analyzing market trends, you are burning through your limited energy. It is time to transition into an automated digital arsenal. By the end of this workflow, you will take a raw, unstructured idea and turn it into a fully produced, market-ready video campaign without spending a single dollar. This requires a shift in how you work. You must stop acting as the engine that grinds through physical labor and start operating as the engineer sitting at the control console. We achieve this by stacking free AI tools into a digital assembly line. This workflow operates through 4 distinct nodes: strategy, visuals, production, and execution. Applying this specific sequence neutralizes the operational friction that usually slows projects down. The system handles the heavy lifting, preserving your energy for high-level market strategy. We start with the strategy node. Before you generate a single visual or record a voiceover, you must stress test your business logic. Open a model like Claude or ChatGPT, feed it your core concept, and prompt it to draft a tight, engaging promotional video script. Allow the model to process the context and find any logical gaps in your messaging. While the script is generating, use Microsoft Copilot to scan real-time market data. Check local trends and verify that your core idea aligns with what consumers are currently looking for. Executing this node first maps out the structural integrity of your project. You lock in a viable concept before you spend any time or resources bringing it to life. Now your idea needs an identity. To capture attention in a saturated market, your concept requires high-quality visuals. Enter your drafted scene descriptions into Leonardo.ai or Adobe Firefly. Within minutes, you can generate highly detailed cinematic concept art that precisely matches your script. A common failure point is using messy, real-world product photos that clash with your high-end art. You have to bridge that gap with an automated cleanup tool like PhotoRoom. Take your raw product shot, drop it into the AI, and let it automatically strip the background to give your item a clean, studio-lit finish. Take your newly generated art and cleaned product shots and drop them directly into Canva AI. Apply your typography, arrange your layout, and scale the visuals to fit your target social media platform. Mastering this visual node allows you to move from concept to finished design without the delays and costs of an outside design agency. Next is the production node. This is where we synthesize those static text and image assets into high-retention video content. Copy the finalized script from your strategy node and paste it into ElevenLabs. The software will convert your text into flawless, realistic human narration. To set the mood, open Suno AI or Udio. Type in a description of the vibe you want and generate a full custom background track. Open a video assembly interface like CapCut. You will see a structural grid where all your generated assets are compiled. To prevent desync, lock your voiceover on the top track. Place visual assets in the middle, and trim backing music to fit the bottom track. Compiling these elements in this exact order fuses fragmented AI outputs into a singular, professional video. The final step is the execution node. A beautifully produced video is only effective if you have a hyper-targeted plan for your launch trajectory. This is where you bring in Perplexity AI to act as your live market radar, helping you navigate shifting social algorithms and locate competitor blind spots. Prompt the engine to scan the live web specifically for your niche. Ask it to identify the exact hashtags driving traffic today and the peak engagement times for your target audience.
Review your deliverables. You now have a complete cinematic promotional video paired with a data-driven distribution checklist. You have successfully automated your creative output, using AI leverage to multiply your volume while halving your manual effort. Take the rendered video export from CapCut, match it with the targeted posting schedule from Perplexity, and push your campaign live. Mastering this automated blueprint allows you to actively rewrite the rules of your digital landscape.